Hey guys, so far so good to the month, up 758 last week going into December. As you can see, we sized down drastically. So that's why you're not seeing like crazy numbers. I think for November, we only made $1,637. We're going to do a charting session on the stock market together since I haven't really done anything yet. Going to keep this as raw as possible. Again, this is very, very little compared to what we are used to making. $41,000 on September with a loss of, I believe, $28,000, $25,000 in November. But I sized down because I noticed Friday and Mondays, I have been red nearly like every single day that it has happened. I'm happy that we are making some changes, and obviously it looks like it's working as I think I started tracking it and managing it within the second week of November. So, 1, 2 red days for Monday and Friday, but the other ones are all green, as you can see. So, TradeZella, again, shout out to TradeZella. Very, very helpful because I wouldn't even have known that I am always red on Monday and Fridays until I saw and imported all my trades, and I was like, wow, like it's like a straight line down. So it has been something I've been working on. Also, a great way to journal what setups are the best and works for you. So I found out recently that majority of my winning trades are from wedges and supply. So whenever I trade a rising wedge into a supply level, it seems to have a high probability that I will turn out green. So hopefully maybe I will try to trade that more. I mainly again trade supply and demand. So just wanted to update you guys on my trading and why it has been such a slow week for me, because as you guys know, I do this for a living, so it kind of does impact my wallet and what I get to eat throughout the month. Because as you can see, obviously I didn't spend all my money already from September and October, but we gotta watch out and not eat as much good food as we are used to. Going straight into the chart, what I do not like as of right now, just looking at it, you can see this candlestick right here, and I don't like it. I really don't like it because it showed that it got bought up. So we were down, and if you guys watch my Instagram, make sure to follow the Instagram, the TikTok, because sometimes I post in those places throughout the week, whereas this video obviously is coming out every single week instead of throughout the week. But I did take a short here, and this was nice because we dumped around 60 to 70 points, yeah, on Friday. And I got out on Friday morning, which was great because as you can see, it got bought up. But I entered puts again end of the day. So I am currently in puts, but I do not like this candlestick right here. However, I did kind of like the end of day volume that came out to bring it below my supply level again. So here we all of a sudden get a decent volume candle size during this move, this candle up, which shows there is sellers compressing it and making it into such a small candle, yet so much volume. Still looks corrective. I don't think necessarily we have put in a quote unquote higher low, because I mean it is possible if this is a 1, 2, and this whole thing is 3, and then this is 4, then one more leg up can be possible. Probably not higher than this level though. But even if it is possible, again, if you are far out in terms of contract prices for puts, going out into like March, you should be very, very safe. Even if we have this again, one last leg up, I think the market is in a very dangerous position for any upside. I don't think there will be much upside for the market. again, if I were to force it, as you can see, this is the macro SPY 330. I still think the market's going to go to 330-ish. We could put potentially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably like something around 415, 412. However, again, I am still super bearish on the stock market. If you're going a few months out, again, it doesn't matter like what you're in, and intraday movement shouldn't matter as much to you. But let's go into what levels I am watching. So, sorry, all of this is really here because that was my chart from Friday, but let's go right into it. So we got like a parallel channel here, here. Very, very simple chart. Got a supply level right here, which we have used, and I think the only liquidity spot we have is here. So I do not think we are bound to go higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do not think that we are bound to go higher yet. Do think we need to take out. There is no liquidity here. Unless, I mean, this didn't even break a prior structure. So to be honest, these are the only two levels I'll be watching. This 4094.75 and this 3990. Long over here, short over here. Again, this already reacted. This was the reason we took the puts on Thursday into Friday. 102-point move down there. I am 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I think we still get, even if this is a bullish impulse, I do think we still get 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that, and touch this level 3990. So those are the two levels I'm watching. VIX, super dangerous. I mean, this thing has not been freaking correlating with anything recently. It drops and goes sideways and drops even when the market's up, down, left, right. So I don't think this is a valuable indicator for now, but as you can see, every time it has reached around these levels, we have had spiked up a lot. So as you can see here, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. So, you know, as a trader, you should be, you know, at least worried about potential VIX spike again, just off of history, and just to be aware. You don't want to not be aware and, you know, get killed. So again, I am bearish on the market a few months out. As you can see, if we do a time measurement, each time takes around what, 2 months. This one is 3 months. This one has been 3 months so far. So if you are a time trader, which I am not, you still got to be cautious. And to be honest, you have to be very cautious here for going for the upside in the stock market. And you know, that's, I feel like that's what people do. They tend to just bag hold, and when VIX is this low, they don't tend to sell. So, and then when VIX is super high, they tend to sell and then get out, and then it's just a rinse and repeat cycle where people just keep constantly losing money. So bearish, short term, midterm, and long term, I am bearish as of right now. Prior to all this huge spike from ES 407 from 300 and something, I did say that we were short term bullish. Now at this specific level, I am across the board bearish. So good luck to you guys. Make sure to trade with the right tools. I don't know if we got any sweeps here, but we definitely have been killing it in the group with Mr. Tony just wrecking everything. I mean, this TQQQ golden put with a higher chance AI, that's bearish for the market, but that came in at 1120, so I don't know. Something end of day would have been nicer. But yeah, come join us if you guys want to trade with the right team and the right tools. Always say, stop being cheap on yourself. We have been absolutely killing it in regards to earnings plays. I mean, if you guys watch me on TikTok, earnings, Tony, and also the team with colesreputs.com. If you guys bought a membership, make sure to DM me on the Discord so I can add you to this channel. But together here, we're always working together to make money off of these earnings plays. And you see it here, EM 11, ALNY 7%. I took RLX, and here I think it was like 40% from right here, 27 and 74 to 92 and 35. So that's around 30% and 20%. So again, trade with the right tools. Always trade desk. Again, we said, and that's why we work as a team. I said trade desk. Where is it, bro? There was, I mean, I just clicked it, but um, 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 let's see. So this one, again, Trade Desk was up 5% the next day. And I said it the other day. I don't know why it's not. Look right here, 11:30. TLT opening for sure. I'll potentially take it tomorrow. I did not do it, sadly. But here you see TTD, $50. It became 55. Opening position, Chance AI, again, 1.3. Stop being cheap on yourself. With the technical analysis, it absolutely wrecks anything you guys could find out there. And that's why it's not cheap. It's not cheap. But stop being cheap on yourself. Have a good one.